I'm Ayan Mohammed, and today I'm going to talk about the wonderful world of Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go is a great game, and I have been playing it since 4 years. And when it came out, I was very excited, and it was the first time I played a Pokemon game in my life. For
No, you have been playing Pokemon Go since how many years?
4 years.
4 years you have been playing.
Yes.
And you are in which level now?
I'm in level 29, almost in level 30. 47,000 experience missing.
Okay, so what are the difficulties you faced, for reaching level 30?
I faced like catching Mewtwo, and catching Latios, and even more like Gengar at low CPs, and I struggled. One time there was a Metagross spawn, and when I came to it, it despawned on me. So it was very sad for me to handle.
Okay. So, which is your favorite Pokemon in all this?
In Pokemon Go, in Orange.
No, what in the Pokemons you have got? Among them, which is your favorite Pokemon?
Or in all Pokemon.
No. The one you have with you.
It's Metagross.
Okay. And which is the favorite Pokemon of all the Pokemon?
It's Greninja. It will be added in the. It will be added in the. I think it will be in the next Go Fest.
Okay. So you are going to the next Go Fest now?
Yes, it is. It is at 25th to 25th and 26th. 25th there will be a challenge. At 26th it will also be a challenge, but it will be tough or easy.
Okay, but I heard that tickets are sold out. Then you have already got the pass for that.
Yes, I have got.
But the passes are sold out now.
No, but I got them earlier.
Okay, early. You got it early. Very good. So to reach level 40, what do you think? How many more months, days, or years will take?
I think it will take almost 2 years.
2 years for you to
because
reach.
Because to level 39 to level 40, it's 1 million experience.
Oh, 1 million. Okay.
But I am closing to 2 million experience in total.
Okay.
To level 1 to level 29.
Okay. So, I mean, what are the problems you usually face while catching a Pokemon?
Like Pokemon, rare Pokemon running, or shiny Pokemon running in one ball, or like losing to Team Go Rocket, Giovanni, like boss 2 times, and then I finally got the Shadow Suicune. It was very tough.
Okay, no, I heard that this Team Go Rocket has been, constantly attacking you here.
Yes,
Is that true?
Yes, there are 4 times, like in midnight to 6 a.m. 6 a.m. to 12 noon. 12 noon to 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to midnight.
Okay, so it's the 4 times you have battled with them?
No, I think I usually battled them 3 times.
3 times. And you have won all the 3 times?
I think the first time I battled, I lost. But then now I have defeated 83 grunts, and I have defeated boss Giovanni. It was very tough. Like the Persian for Giovanni is like the destroyer of Pokemons. Even my Hariyama was trying to get through it. As you know, Hariyama is a very bulky Pokemon. It has very good defense, but it was not able to get through it. And then I constantly lost 2 times. Then I finally got the right team.
Okay, so my next question is, what you would like to suggest to the candidates who want to start with the Pokemon? They want to start with Pokemon.
As you know, if you want to start Pokemon, there's a glitch or an Easter egg little. If you walk out of the range of the 3 started Pokemon, which are Charmander, Squirtle, and Bulbasaur.
Okay.
Sometimes then a Pikachu will appear. If you don't know Pikachu is the mascot of the Pokemon franchise.
Okay.
And my starter Pokemon was actually a Pikachu that I evolved into Raichu.
Okay.
It's currently at 1284 CP.
Okay.
But as you know, if you get the starter Pokemon, they're really weak, like 10 CP, 11 CP. The strongest one is Bulbasaur. It is 11 CP only.
Okay. So, would you like to tell our viewers that what are the things they should take care of when they try catching a Pokemon? I mean, like so that they shouldn't waste lot of balls, Pokeballs, and all that.
First, if it's not a good Pokemon, you should not catch it. If it is shiny Pokemon, you have to catch it quickly in a Ultra Ball, because it is the best rate of catching a Pokemon. Okay. But if you know, there's a Pokeball called Master Ball, which is very powerful. It's not added to the game, but it can catch a Pokemon without a fail.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and there is something also that you have some fruits that if you give to the Pokemon, they.
I think no, that's not fruits. That's our berries. There are 4 types of berries. The raspberry, the nanap-berry, the pineapple-berry, the golden raspberry, the silver pineapple-berry.
Okay.
Raspberry. See, if you throw a raspberry at a Pokemon, it will be easier to catch it. If you throw a nanap-berry to the Pokemon, it will calm down. And if you throw a pineapple-berry, it will drop extra candies. And if you use a golden raspberry, it's very good. It can higher the catch rate of the Pokemon. It's better than raspberry. And silver pineapple berries do the same as pineapple berries and have higher catch rate for catching a Pokemon. If you throw it to a Pokemon, it will be a little bit easier to catch it, and it will drop extra candies.
Okay. So in our next episode, shall we show our viewers how to catch a Pokemon?
Okay.
So that they could be better prepared. I mean, if they are starting with the game,
Yes.
they could have some knowledge about how to catch a Pokemon,
Okay.
and so that they could catch a Pokemon without wasting many balls, Pokeballs.
Okay.
So yeah. You were saying-
And we will also post a video for the Go Fest. It will be 2 days, and it will be very tough to complete, because in Go Fest there are, I think, 5 tasks, 5 things you have to complete, like 5 rotations with first fire. I think I am not able to remember the order, but I will say fire, water, grass, friendship, and battle. If you don't know friendship based evolution.
Okay.
And if you don't know battle, they are good for battling other players. Like if I battle Papa, I can use that Pokemon to defeat Papa.
Okay. So guys, kindly like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.
And I have
Yes.
one last word. In their myths that Pokemon Go will add Mega Evolutions and Gen 6 Pokemon. If you don't know what Mega Evolutions are, that are temporary evolutions that help the Pokemon to get even stronger. Like if you know Mewtwo is very powerful, and it's I think I also have it. But if you Mega Evolve it, it will go like the most powerful Pokemon in the game. In Y it maxes out at 5,649. In X it will max out at 5,444. I think. I don't remember that last CPs, but the first CPs like 54 and 56 I remember. So in Gen 6 there is my favorite Pokemon called Greninja, and it is very powerful. But if you don't know, it also has a temporary evolution. That's a friendship evolution, and it's called Ash Greninja.
Okay.
It bonds. If you don't know the anime, it bonds with its trainer like Ash, and it becomes so strong that it can destroy legendaries. In the anime, I think I don't remember.
Okay.
I think it didn't match up as a legendary, but that was very sad. In the last finale, he Ash lost to a trainer.
Okay.
I think it was the champion. He lost.
Okay. Okay. So guys, kindly like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you could put in your query in the comment section. So we could get back to you, or we could reply to your comment as well. So please subscribe so that we can keep on posting many more videos like this, and we could explain Pokemon to all the upcoming players and all. Okay, so thank you so much, and
And we will see your
very
faces
soon.
later. Bye.
Bye.